How to save emails to files on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can save emails to your files on iPhone. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. Now to save files, your emails on your files, open up your Mail app and head over to any email that you want. I'll just go to this random email, and after you're here, on the bottom you'll find a share icon. Tap on the share icon and scroll down until you find a print option. Tap on print and you should see this. You can just see the pages of your email. Try to zoom in on the pages and it should open up like this. After it opens up like this, tap on the bottom left corner, and after you tap on it, you should see an option that says Save to Files. Tap on Save to Files and tap on Save on the top right. And that's how you do it, and that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.